Hello guys, welcome to the latest video from KTV. Welcome, oh no, there's nothing welcome. And today I am at West Drayton on the Great Western Main Line. So you're going to be seeing services from Great Western Railway only. Joining me here today is the Great Westerner. If you go down to the woods, if you go down to Bournemouth today, you're going to get a nasty surprise. It's going to be him. Got Alex Videos there. Got OliverMarkoBlake.
On the Great Western.
RRB Rail.
I hate Chris.
Oh, that's going to go viral. Got TrainclipsHD and we've got JD the Trainspotter. Yeah, I'm going to do that as well. Right, so I really like to apologise first that there's no video from Slough. First of all, I'd like to apologise for that. The reason being that there's no film from Slough is because we got told we couldn't film there because apparently we are a potential terrorist threat, which I don't understand at all. Anyway, I didn't like that. I'm not happy, but that was probably the most exciting station of the day and we got kicked off of it. So, but we're going to try the other three and we're going to see how we go. Maidenhead was a success, Twyford was, Slough wasn't, but West Drayton hopefully will be. So, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at West Drayton. Right, passing through first, we have a Cola 70, 7813. Great wave and a nice crash in the centre. Brilliant pass. Right, passing through now is going to be a Great Western Railway service from Oxford to London Paddington. 166-220.
Twyford? Yeah, Twyford.
Not bad. Good pass. Right, arriving in now is going to be the slightly delayed 12:59 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Oxford. It's going to stop here. It's formed of two turbos.
And I'd really like your feedback on what your opinions on me using a tripod, whether you think it's...
I think it's terrible.
165,111.
I'm joking. I think it's pretty good.
165,111.
165,111. Oh, it's that one again. Hello. And that means 166,202 is on the rear.
165,111. We saw, I keep seeing 166,221.
166,202 would be the rear then.
Kieran, are you doing a video diary?
166,202 is the rear. Should be. It is, yeah. 202. Right, off goes the 12:59 service to Oxford. 165,111 and 166,202. So off goes that one to Oxford. Right, passing through now is going to be a HST from Paddington to London Paddington. 092 then.
What?
Is it 150?
43,150. 43,150 and something on the front. Nice two coats
on the rear and 43,171
What was on the rear, Dan?
152. Let's see what's next.
So it's 43,171 and 43,150. Oxford. Double pairing of turbos, it is 166,208 and 165,101.
165,101 with the guard in the rear.
Hang on, I'm trying to get it.
So let's see.
There it is.
Oh, I zoomed so far, it got so blurry.
Right, passing through now we have a HST. I believe this is from Penzance. Penzance, I think. I think it's from Penzance, London Paddington. Might be from Bristol though. It's, oh my god, it's a wasp. Right.
It is 43.
126. 43.131 and 43.126 Beardy Bristol.
And also coming in.
And passing through as well. 43.136 and 43.071. That's heading to Bristol Temple Meads.
That's calling it at
165.122 has now arrived as well with the 1310 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Oxford. 165.122 is the front. The rear of it we'll find out soon. Right, departing now is the 1310 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Oxford. 165.107 and 165.122.
definitely a recent one. We saw that at Reading 2 weeks ago and it was not that colour. So that's definitely
that's definitely a new green.
That's definitely a new green one and it looks amazing in the brand new livery. But it's still got no new interior. That's the 1310 Great Western Railway service.
What else do you expect from turbos?
I don't know, to be honest. I don't know why I'm wondering. But they're keeping them. That's why.
126 is still within visible sight, only just.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It stopped. It stopped.
Has it?
It's moving really slowly.
On slow. Alright, it's moving slowly anyway. Right, passing through now is another HST. 43.031 and 43.197. And if you bear with me just a second, I shall find out where that's going.
That is going to, I think it's
Oxford.
It's going Penzance.
Is it?
No,
that's from us. Sure, it's to Oxford.
yeah, that is going Penzance.
Is it Penzance? London Paddington's Penzance service, that one.
Now approaching is a turbo.
Right, passing through now is going to be a turbo. I think it's a pair of them from Great Malvern to London Paddington.
I think it's a double two car.
Imagine just a two car doing
I think
it.
it's a double two car.
Imagine if a two car just did it on
I
its
would
own.
shoot myself.
165, 118. 118! Oh no, 166, 207. You remember that, and guys, just saying, you remember that turbo we saw filming, the earlier one, the 1310? It's still there.
Yeah, it's just sat there.
It's just sat there doing nothing, and that turbo might do the same. That's what I'm concerned about.
No, it's not slowing down. Well, let's have a look. We'll see what happens.
Anyway, we're going to check it out, and then I'll keep you updated.
Oh, what? So a van crashed
Yeah,
near the
it did.
station?
Yeah, it did at Ely. That was what happened with Jamie. Anyway, sorry, we were just talking about something about Cambridge and Ely when Jamie went there. Anyway, so passing through now is going to be a HST from... Is there?
Yeah.
Says, where'd you find that? Oh, passing through here anyway, or about to, is a Carmarthen to London Paddington, so it's going, hang on Alex, hang on, wait.
Karen, it's stopping at
Okay, I'm just going to pop it down there anyway. Alex, put your head out of the way a sec, sorry. You get shot.
I'll go behind.
125 for the station. Yeah.
Scenes here of 125 awesomeness.
I'll tell you why. It's because of THEGreatWesterner. If you go across the red signal,
Great shot, shame the railing's in the way. 43, oh it's 128 on the front. He doesn't look happy.
Is the turbo still there?
There he goes, moving now.
Those from Swansea.
Carmarthen.
No, hey look,
It's at Swansea.
Oh, alright then, it started at Swansea, okay then. Swansea now, apparently.
It's Swansea.
I swear this is Carmarthen.
When I first got the Mark III that had that air brake panel, I really didn't think that.
That sounds nice.
It does, doesn't it? Anyway, the rear of it. 43141. I think I did see this the other day, so that's alright.
Oh, I need my battery pack now.
I think you might be. Don't judge me.
Right, passing through now is another HST. It's going a bit faster.
Very fast, well, a bit. So it is.
43097 on the front. Give me a plain one again.
Oh, that stinks. Oh, no.
Oh!
On the rear, we have...
The rear is 43088. Would you guys like to know something? Would you guys like to know something very fun? Oxford! It's from Oxford to London Paddington.
Waste of a train!
Exactly.
You're a waste.
No, he's not. That train's a waste of a train.
1329.
Right, arriving in now is the 1329 Great Western Railway service to Oxford, which is 166210.
166,210.
Great two-tone. There is clearly no issue. Unless they're unaware. The rear is 165128 on the rear. Great two-tone as well, by the way. 128. Right, departing now to 1329 service to Oxford. One 165,128 and 166,210. That's heading to Oxford. Next stop for that one is Ivor, followed by Langley, and then that station, followed by Burnham, Taplow, Maidenhead, Twyford. Yeah, Maidenhead, lovely. Reading. I said Twyford. Twyford. Yes, I did. Twyford, Reading, Tilehurst, Pangbourne, Goring and Streatley. Cholsey. Did I say that? Did I say that?
Yes.
Okay.
Chelsea.
Didcot Parkway,
Yes.
Culham and Oxford. Or it might be Radley and Oxford. Or it might be all of them.
I'm tempted to say something.
Check. 43034 and 43026 passing there. That is off to Great Malvern.
That's Great Western Rail from Great Western Rail to Great Malvern.
Right, arriving in now is going to be the,
Okay, coming in now is...
I believe it is the 1449.
1449.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
1439 Great Western Railway service from Oxford to London Paddington. It's 166211.
166,211 with 14.
We've seen this one already today, but
Great Western Railway service from Oxford to London
there it is.
Paddington.
Right, going up now is 166211. Oh wow! And 165119.
119.
No,
11.
only 118. Anyway, that's on the 1339 service to London Paddington from Oxford.
Jamie, I reckon it was Hayes Harlington. Yeah, it's clear though.
Right, passing through there was 43194. I know what the rear of that one is, by the way. It's 43164. Yes, it is. 164 is the front of that one with 194 at the rear. With the LA16 set, that's the unrefurbished set. Right, we've got a crossover here.
I don't know which one's coming first.
They're both coming at the same time. 166, 213 and 220. That was a brilliant crossover. Brilliant. Couldn't get both of them. 166213, I think it's heading for...
I wish I was up there, I would have got an awesome shot of that.
By the way, I just want a bit of a confirmation for you, because I think that's 166, I think is the Great Malvern one. I think though, that the HST, the first one we saw, was the Chippenham one, and I think that green one was the Swansea one.
Let me have a look.
That would make sense. So guys, how dank. As the 2166 has passed through, I'm going to be ending my video from West Drayton here. So thank you very much for watching this video from West Drayton. If you have liked what you've seen here today at West Drayton, then please do like and subscribe and leave any comments, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. I'm not going to leave them myself. That's what I was about to say. Joining me here at West Drayton was the Great Westerner.
Hello.
I said the Great Westerner. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Alex Videos.
Pill.
In Ibiza.
Pill.
JD the Trainspotter. Who's a Wookie. TrainclipsHD.
I love shagging HSTs.
Yes, you do. Especially those.
Oh, yeah. You're exhausted.
And OliverMarkoBlake, and also RRB Rail. Boom. Who's eating a sandwich? You can't say it.
Let's try that again.
So.
Excuse me, would you mind not doing your outro, please?
So, my next station, and I say this with eager anticipation because it might not even happen, but my next station is very hopefully going to be Hayes and Harlington. But no holding out for that. If Hayes and Harlington doesn't happen, then it will be Ealing Broadway next. But if Ealing Broadway doesn't happen, then the next station is Worcester Foregate Street. But I'm just saying that. Oh, yeah, he is right. Although he swore, he is right. So anyway, let me repeat before you saying that. It's true though. Yeah, I know. Well, we all knew that anyway. So, as I say one more time, the next station should be Hayes and Harlington. If it's not Hayes and Harlington, it'll be Ealing Broadway. If it's not Ealing Broadway, it will be Worcester Foregate Street next week. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in, hopefully, Hayes and Harlington, or Ealing Broadway, or Worcester Foregate Street.
What time does train?
Goodbye, guys.
What time